It's also very nice today on the 28th of April 2024. We have Bäckbornas väg 21, nobody's coming.
Yeah.
And here we have another DEVE-Schindler elevator that was built in the summer of 1991. This residential building was finished in 1992. It's also here in Beckomberga, and Rocksta metro station is the closest one in Stockholm SWE with 4 floors. The capacity is 8 persons, 630 pounds. We always have a lot of these to film, of course.
Yeah.
And this number is 54763.
Yeah.
But I have to remember if it's just one right now, but I still have, but
Yeah.
I'll have to save it. Back to the north floor. Yes, I'll take pictures. So that's it.
This Bäckbornas is maintained by Cone. Senators holeless hydraulic. That's